Yeah, go ahead.
The SLR-LID-2 series lid dispenser is available as an in-counter mount in a countertop cabinet. Before use, there will be some installation in choosing the proper dispenser. On the in-counter mount, when you open up the box, you'll get the cup dispenser tube that needs to go in the counter. And you'll also get a ring bezel with two different lid front plates. When installing the cup dispenser tube, make sure that the up arrow on the dispenser is to the top of the cabinet. And this is so that when you go to put on the actual ring bezel and front plate, it lines up so you're dispensing the lid in the upward motion. You'll cut a 5 1/4 inch hole. You'll mount the dispenser with 4 mounting screws. After the dispenser is mounted on the counter, you'll need to install the proper front plate into the ring bezel by just pushing it around. And then you slide it on, turn it clockwise, and it pops into place. When putting the lid front into the ring bezel, you'll notice that there's some notches in the lid cover. So just line those up with the 3 notches and then just put that on. When you go to line it up, you'll notice that the up arrow is to the top. Just start it off a little bit off the up arrow and turn it clockwise to lock it down.